Most YouTube content about building an AI business show you the most successful stories, like making $1 million. That's very motivating, but it's a survivorship bias. When you watch those videos and you try to follow every step, you find it doesn't work for you. And that discouragement is real. So you need to think clearly before you start an AI business. You need to know that AI is the car, but you still have to hold the wheel and know why you are going where you are going. Right now, more AI tools give you more directions, more speed, more horsepower, but they don't tell you which direction to drive. The most important thing, it has nothing to do with AI. It's how you make decisions. What's your vision? Who are you actually building for? What does success look like for your specific life, your specific energy, your specific body? When I stopped trying to teach a 6-hour live session because my throat literally cannot handle it, I shifted to a model built around tools, consulting, and recorded content. Everything got lighter, not because I got better AI tools, because I stopped forcing myself into a format that doesn't fit for. I want to be honest with you upfront. There's no single week one plan for that fits everyone, because people start business from very different places. Some people start from passion, some from identified market demand. Some start because they have no choice. What's universal is not a specific action plan. It's a principle. Do something that you yourself would actually use. For example, I built a resume customization tool. I built it because I was applying for jobs myself, and the repetitive work of customizing resume is killing me. So I built this tool to help me customize my resume to every single job that I will apply. I'm still using it. Think about it. If you build something that even you don't want to use it, who else will buy it? So build for yourself first, then share with a small group willing to share. That's how real validation happens. The other thing I would do differently is to understand my own working rhythm before building any business model. In the beginning, I tried to run a 6-hour live session because that's what I saw other people doing. I have chronic throat issues, so I was fighting my own biology for my business model. So you need to ask yourself, how many focus hours can I realistically work each day? You need to build a business that fits your life, not the other way around. So how to start? Before you pick a niche, before you buy a tool, or before you watch another YouTube video, take a few minutes to get clear on where you actually are. I made a free founder growth assessment for exactly this. You can scan the QR code or click on the link in the description. Then 2 minutes to gain clarity on where you are. Because without clarity, it's very easy to keep watching content and feeling motivated for a few days, then losing direction again. Don't do that. Take the test first. And if you have any question or any topic you want me to share, please leave a message and let's do something that fits our life and help more people.